What are the usages of SIPOC map? SIPOC map is used with various purposes. First is identifying the stakeholders. Let's take an example of the pizza delivery system that we discussed earlier. In the pizza delivery system, for example, if the company is facing a problem at their delivery time, which is committed at 30 minutes, in some cases it takes more time. So they want to improve this process because they have to pay penalties to the customer. So this is identified as a Six Sigma project. In this case, it may not be sufficient that we only consider the only delivery department as a stakeholder. In the Six Sigma project, various teams and functions have to participate. For example, the cooking department also has to contribute in Six Sigma projects. For example, the person who is taking the orders also has to contribute in the Six Sigma project. So SIPOC map will help us in identifying who are the various stakeholders for a particular project. Next step is about scope and boundaries. SIPOC will help us in identifying the scope and boundaries of the Six Sigma project. Let's say in the pizza delivery system, which geographic area we are talking about? Are we talking about all the branches or are we talking about a particular branch? Are we talking about all the time zones, like morning and evening, or are we talking about a particular time zone? What is the scope of the project? We must make it clear. So SIPOC map will broadly help us in identifying the boundaries and the scope. The third purpose of SIPOC map is to identify the data collection point. Let's say in the pizza delivery system, we have to collect many data. Some of the data may be already available, that's the time taken for delivery may be available, but now when we deep dive into the process, into the problem, we may need a lot of other data. So broadly, initially we may need some information like, is the delivery time taken more in the morning zone or in the evening zone? What is the type of the vehicle that we use causes more delivery failures? Shall we collect data according to the mode of the transport? What kind of geographic locations are there where it takes usually more time? Do we collect data for different geographic locations? All these things must be clear. So SIPOC map also will help us in identifying these data collection points. Another reason for creating SIPOC map is to communicate with the team members. SIPOC map will help us in explaining what project scope and boundaries we are talking about for a particular project. SIPOC map will also help us in understanding the customer requirements. So what are the customer requirements? Is the customer satisfied with 30 minutes or they want less, or they are accepting the more delivery time? What is the voice of the customer? So all those things will be made clear by SIPOC.